Welcome to Skyhawks Academy. Today the topic that we'll be covering in this class would be the intelligence test, and we will be doing intelligence test number 1. So let's start.
Alright, we have a first question. Which word does not belong with the others? Cat, dog, fish, table. The correct answer is table, because the table is something that is not a living thing, but the cat, dog, animals are living things, so the answer would be table. Now the next question comes here. Choose the word that best completes the analogy. Hot is to cold as fire is to. Now we have to find what is the actual relationship between the analogy. The relationship between the analogy is they're about opposites, as hot is to cold. Now fire is to. The correct answers are, we have options: smoke, water, ice, light. The correct answer is ice, because fire's opposite could be ice. Now the next question is, which sentence is grammatically correct? Me and my friend went to the store. My friend and I went to the store. My friend and me went to the store, and I and my friend went to the store. Now here the sentence my friend and I went to the store is grammatically correct, because when you are a subject of the sentence, you should use I, not me. Plus it's an opposite, it's a polite way to put others first in the sentence. Alright, the next question is, which sentence is not correctly punctuated? I love to eat pizza, tacos and burgers. She went to the store, however she forgot her wallet. My favorite colors are blue, green and yellow. He likes to sing, dance and play basketball. Now here the correct answer is, he liked to sing, dance and play basketball. It's a bit similar to the correct one, because the correct one should be he liked to sing, dance and then comma and play. But yeah, we can consider this. Here is the correct answer too. Like, it should be, this sentence should be exactly looking like this. So yeah, he likes to sing, dance and play basketball. Now the next sentence is, choose the word that is most opposite in meaning in the underlined word. The weather was pleasant and sunny. Here is the sentence. Now we have to tell the pleasant opposite. Cold, rainy, unpleasant, boring. Of course the answer would be unpleasant. The next question is, choose the word that is most similar in meaning to the underlined word. She was ecstatic when she found out she got the job. Here ecstatic means to extremely happy or overjoyed. So here we have options, and out of sad, happy, angry, frustrated, we have a right answer as a happy. Okay, the next one comes here. Choose a word that is least similar in meaning to the underlined word. That is, the teacher was flabbergasted by the student's answer. Surprised, shocked, amazed, bored. Now flabbergasted means being greatly surprised or astonished. So bored is the least similar in meaning to flabbergasted, and because it means lack interesting, or which is opposite to the surprised or shocked. So that's why bored is the correct answer here. Next is, choose a word that best completes the analogy. Laugh is to joke as cry is to sad, tear, movie, funny. Now we can see, like, just like a joke might cause someone to laugh, and something sad might cause someone to cry. That's why sad is the correct answer to complete the analogy. The next is, which word does not belong with the others? Carrot, banana, apple, potato. Here potato is the word that does not belong with the others, because carrot, banana, apple are somehow fruits, but potato is actually a vegetable. So potato is the word that does not belong with the others. Choose the word that best completes the analogy. Book is to read as movie is to act, sing, dance, watch. watch, because something just like you read a book, you watch a movie, so watch is the correct answer here. Okay, next question is, choose the word that best completes the analogy. Cat is to kitten as dog is to adult, doggy, puppy, and cub. Here the answer is puppy, because we call a dog, you can say, offsprings as a puppy. Alright. Now the next question is, which sentence is correctly written in passive voice? The dog chased the cat. The cat was chased by the dog. The cat chased the dog. And the dog was chased by cat. Now the answer is, the cat was chased by dog. The sentence cat was chased by the dog is in passive voice, because the subject is being acted upon the verb, and the dog, which is doing the action, comes later in the sentence. That's why it is correct. Now the next is, choose the word that is correctly spelled. Exercise, exercise. Of course you have to know about the exercise spellings, and the correct one is this. Okay? Alright, the next question comes here. Choose the word that is most opposite in meaning to the underlined word. The music was soothing and calming. Now here we have options: agitating, annoying, disturbing, and irritating. We have to give the answer accordingly. Like, agitating is the opposite of smoothing. If something is agitating, it's making you feel bothered or restless, which is exact opposite of feeling soothed or calmed. So that's why it is the correct answer. Next is, choose the word that best completes the analogy. Now what is the analogy? Bird is to feather as dog is to tail, fur, nose, ear. Of course we have to use again the common sense. Just like bird has feather, a dog has fur. So fur is the correct complete answer for this analogy, and it's a key characteristic of dogs too. Okay, next sentence comes here. Which of the following word is the antonym of happy? Sad, angry, excited, joyful. Sad is the antonym of happiness. Okay, the next question comes. Which of the following word is the synonym of fierce? Timid, gentle, aggressive, calm. The answer is aggressive, because fierce means intense, powerful, or aggressive. So the synonym of fierce will be aggressive. Alright, the next question comes here. Which word does not belong with the others? Car, bus, aeroplane, road. Now here the word road does not belongs with the others, because car, bus, aeroplane, somehow they are all modes of transportation, but road is, on the other hand, is where these vehicles travel, not a vehicle itself. So that's why it's gonna be the answer. And which word does not belongs with the others? Mobile, telephone, laptop, music. Now see, the word that does not quite belong with the other is music, because while mobile, telephone, and laptop, they are somehow electrical devices, and music is not an device, but it's rather form of entertainment or sound. So music is a correct answer here. Next question is, which of the following word is an antonym of clean? It's gonna be the last question. That is, the antonym of clean is dirty, tidy, neat, spotless. The answer, of course you know it, it's a dirty, because antonym of dirty is clean is dirty, and antonym is the word that means opposite, and dirty is by all means opposite to the clean.
So that is all for today's class. Stay with us, follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, and stay connected with us.